Okay, so what exactly is affiliate marketing and how does it work? Well, in its simplest form, to earn money through affiliate marketing, you would sign up to a company's affiliate program, and when you did that, you would get given a special link that's unique to you, known as an affiliate link. And whenever somebody clicks on this link, goes to the website and then buys something, you would get paid a commission in return for generating the sale. So essentially, you can think of yourself as a freelance advertiser. You promote products or services for companies and they pay you commissions in return for generating the sales. And nowadays, nearly every company that has an online presence also has an affiliate program. As an example, if I go to the Amazon homepage and scroll all the way down, then you can see that under the heading, Make Money With Us, it says Associates Program. And if I click on that, you can see that it then says Recommend Products, Earn Commissions. And it's the same story with eBay too. If I go to the eBay homepage and scroll all the way down, then under the heading Sell, you can see that it says Affiliates. And if I click on that, you can see that it then says Earn Money by driving traffic and prompting sales. And the good news is that you can join as many affiliate programs as you want, you can promote as many products as you want, and you can earn as much money as you want. There's absolutely no limits on the amounts that you can earn. So the question is, how do you advertise your affiliate links, and how do you get enough people clicking on your affiliate links to actually generate sales and earn commissions? Well, there is a right way and there is a wrong way. And most people do it the wrong way. You see, most people try promoting their affiliate links on sites like Facebook and Instagram, but that's not a good way to do affiliate marketing. And there are two reasons for that. Firstly, it requires you to directly trade your time in return for money. So to keep on earning, you would have to keep on creating new content, and you have to keep fighting to stay relevant in a really competitive landscape. And secondly, most people browsing social media sites aren't in a purchase mindset. They're just scrolling through the feed. So if you're promoting things on there, you're going to have to work extra hard to try and convince those people to actually buy the products that you're promoting. So instead, the best way to do affiliate marketing is to simply put yourself in between a search and a sale and connect people with the products that they're looking for right there and right then. And you can do that by using something known as keywords and online content creation. So as an example of this in practice, I'll show you this website here, which is a very simple website dedicated to robot vacuums. And this type of simple website is what's known as a niche website. The reason it's known as a niche website is because it focuses on something really specific within a larger industry. For example, rather than focusing on vacuums as a whole, this website specifically hones in on robot vacuum cleaners. And this is the trick to achieving massive success online. You see, by narrowing down the topic of the website, the owner of it is able to determine exactly what the people visiting the website are interested in. They're interested in robot vacuum cleaners. So the owner adds content related to robot vacuum cleaners. The content then gets listed in search engines like Google. Visitors start arriving at the website, and then the owner promotes products to them as an affiliate. So let me show you that process again. The owner of this website has created a piece of content entitled Robot Vacuum Not Charging, and in it he's outlined a few tips as to how you can fix it. Now if you were to search in Google that your robot vacuum is not charging, that page would actually come up as a top result. So this means that from a one-time effort of creating this simple piece of content, the owner of it is now getting visitors coming from search engines and landing on it, reading it, trying to find out how they can fix the robot vacuum not charging. And then if we scroll down all the way to the bottom, you can see that at the end of it, the owner of the article is promoting products to them as an affiliate. So right here, we have a replacement battery and a new charger. So if I was to click on that, you can see that it takes us to the product on Amazon via an affiliate link. So people will be coming to this page to try and find a solution as to why the robot vacuum isn't charging. Then they'll find out that it's likely the charger or the battery. Then finally, the owner will promote those products to them as an affiliate, and he will be earning passive commissions from all of the people coming to this page and then going on to purchase one of these products in order to fix the problem with the robot vacuum cleaner. So from a one-time effort of creating this piece of content, the creator of this could now be earning passive commissions every single day. So you can likely see why this method is better. All you have to do is find keywords to target, then create content or place advertisements to target them, and you can earn commissions without ever having to show your face, talk to anybody, or do any sorts of convincing at all. And the good news is that you can do this with any passion or interest that you may have. So if you're interested in fitness, you can create fitness content and make money from that. If you're interested in gaming, you can create gaming content and make money from that. And as you'll soon see, you can even leverage artificial intelligence to create the content for you. So now that you know how it works, click the button below and I'll see you in the next lesson where I'll explain more about what a niche is, and I'll help you find a niche of your own so that you can put this method into action and start making money from it for yourself. So click the button below and I'll see you in the next lesson.